Can a tenant legally refuse a property inspection? In recent discussions surrounding rental properties, a pressing question has emerged. Can a tenant legally refuse a property inspection? This topic is gaining attention as many renters seek clarity on their rights and responsibilities. If you are a tenant or a landlord, understanding the legal framework around property inspections is essential. Let's break down the facts. Generally, a tenant cannot legally refuse a property inspection if the landlord adheres to the proper legal procedures. Landlords have the right to enter rental units for inspections, repairs, or other legitimate reasons. However, they must provide reasonable notice to the tenant. This notice period typically ranges from 24 to 48 hours, depending on local laws. It is important to note that a tenant's right to privacy is balanced against the landlord's right to maintain the property. If a tenant refuses entry without a valid reason, such as an emergency or in safe conditions, they may be violating the lease agreement or local tenancy laws. Tenants can challenge an inspection if the landlord fails to provide proper notice, conducts inspections at unreasonable times, or uses inspections to harass the tenant. In such cases, the tenant may have grounds to refuse entry. If tenants cite difficulties or concerns, like needing to move furniture for lead paint abatement, landlords may need to seek legal remedies. This could involve going to court to enforce their right to inspect or repair the property. A court order may be necessary to gain access if the tenant is uncooperative but the inspection is justified and lawful. While tenants have rights to privacy and quiet enjoyment, they typically cannot outright refuse property inspections if the landlord complies with legal requirements. Refusal without valid cause can lead to legal disputes or potential eviction proceedings, depending on jurisdiction and lease terms. As this topic continues to trend, it is crucial for both tenants and landlords to stay informed about their rights and obligations regarding property inspections. Understanding these legal nuances can help prevent misunderstandings and disputes in rental agreements.